Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will create this Shuriken knife. This knife is used in the Japan. Okay, there are the different views of this knife. This is the top view, this is the front view, left view, and this is the bottom view. There are the section view also. Section A, this is section A. Actually this is the parallelogram. Height is this 30, 60, and section CC. This is a small parallelogram and the bigger parallelogram. Small parallelogram is 6 mm this width and height is 12 mm. And this is the detail view of this portion. I will start detail view of this thing. These dia maximum larger dia 30 mm, 12 mm. First I will draw this circular portion. I will draw circular portion. Dia is outer dia, inner dia is 15 mm, 32 mm is the outer dia. First I am making this one. Okay, let's start. File, new, part, this one. I am selecting background is the plain white and unit system is the millimeter gram second. You can select as per your requirement any other systems. Okay. First I am taking top plane here. Top plane is sketch. Top plane is sketch. I am draw two circle here. This one. This and this. Okay, right click, select smart dimension. This is 15 mm dia. Inside dia is a 15 mm and this is the 32 mm dia as per drawing. Okay, these two dia, this one. Now future extrude boss base, I am taking mid plane direction 1. Mid plane extrusion height is, total height is 30, this is 14 mm, 140, 14 only. This is the total height of this thing. Okay, if you see this height, this I have made, this is the 14 mm height of this thing. Now I will make this one, this inside portion. If you will see bigger dia is 13 mm and this is the tapered part. Okay, stepped part. Small dia is 12 mm, 13 mm, and distance between one pattern is 6 mm. These are the 10 number of the patterns here. You will see here. And total distance is 16 from center to here. Total is the 76 from here to here. Okay, from the center point up to the 10 pattern, that is the 76 mm distance. Okay, let's make here. Front plane. Front plane sketch, normal. Okay, normal. I will draw a center line. Center line is very useful in order to draw a proper sketch. It acts as a guides actually. This one. This first make sure this should be horizontal. Yes. Okay. Now I will draw line from this point. This point, this slightly taper, this is the taper part, and this, and join this one. Okay, this one. Now smart dimension from this point to select this center line, and if you go beyond this construction line, it will show the dia. If you go below this construction line, this show the radius. Please note this thing. But this must be construction line. Don't select this line and select this line, and this is the 13 mm. Okay, and this point and construction line, this is the 12 mm, and this one, this, and one more dimension, this one. This dimension is 6 mm. Okay, this one. Oh, this. Now one more thing. If you see the drawing, this portion, this one, last one. If you see here, this radius is 10 mm and you will see this portion. This center to center distance is 10 mm, radius is 2 mm. Okay, I will draw this one. Total is 14 mm. Total is 10, this one, and 2 plus 2, 14 mm. Okay, total is 14 mm. Let's start. Line, this one. Don't make the relation here. This, and go ahead, then go back, come back. This one, this, and this one. Okay. Again, select this center point and center line. This will show the dia. Okay. If you go below this construction line, it will show the radius. Please note this thing this way. And this is the 10 mm only. This is the 10 mm, radius is 2 mm, this one. Okay. Now this one. These two lines must be solid line. You please note. They are the two geometries. One is this one, tapered part. This is this radius part. These two lines must be either it must be straight solid line or construction line. In that case, I will make a future revolve base phase. Revolve base phase. Both are selected. Revolve 360-degree. Unmerge this one. You please note, unmerge this rate. Okay, this one. If you see in the future tree manager, there are the three parts. Solid body 3 is, one is this one, second is this one, third is this one. Okay. One thing normal. I have to make these 10 number patterns. So this is 6 mm, 6 mm total 10 mm. 6 into 10, 60. So this distance from here to here, that is the 76 mm. Please note this thing. I have calculated this thing because this distance is 6 mm. Okay, I will make 10 number of patterns of this size. Okay, so from center to this one, this die is 16, die is 32. Half of this is 16. 16 plus 60, that is the 76. Okay, this one. Now, okay, now these are the three future tree manager. You will see there are the three bodies unmerged. This one, this. Okay. Unmerged red. Okay, from here. Later on, I will merge this thing. Now, I will make 10 number pattern of this one. Then you go in the linear pattern. Linear pattern. From here, you select this temporary axis. Okay. Now select not this. Clear? Select the bodies. Select the bodies. This one. This body. This body. Now select the axis. This one. This one. If you take up both options you can use. Up to reference. Up to reference is this reference. This reference. Up to reference, this one. And selected reference, this one. Direction, this one. Please note this thing. I am using second option, up to reference. Direction, this axis, temporary axis, and face. This is up to reference. Up to reference means this one. This one. Selected reference, this face. This one. This face, there are the two options. You can select this one also. This one. 10 number I have made, because from here to here distance is, total distance is 60 mm. Okay, now hit OK. Now this is the, now you will see there are the 12 bodies here. This one, first I will merge this corner body, this pattern, and this one. How I will merge? First I will merge this one. You will see there is a gap here. You will see first there are the two ways of merging. You can go in the direct editing, then go direct editing, you can combine here, or you can select this face, gap face, this one, sketch, convert entity, future, extrude boss base. But direction one, select the option up to surface. Which surface? This circular face. This will merge. Okay. Now this is merged with this one. Now in the same way, you will find there is also a gap here. You will see here this gap. So select this face, sketch, convert entity, future, extrude boss base. Up to surface, which surface? This one. This one. You will see this body is merged, last pattern is merged with this one. You will see this one and this one also. Now there are 10 bodies left, this one. Okay. Now I will merge total, combine these bodies. How I will combine? Go in the direct editing, combine, add this one. From here, tree manager open, select this one. You can also select from the graphic area also. You can select from the graphic area or from here tree manager, solid body, this, and hit right button. All are combined. Now you will see the future tree manager, there is one body that is combined, this one. Okay. Now this is combined. Now if you see the drawing, now I will make a small parallelogram here on this face. On this face, this circular face, I will make small parallelogram 6 and 12 mm. Later on, at a distance of 26, this parallelogram we will 30 and 60, and then I will make a loft feature, and again then at a distance of 80. Then 80, I will make a only simple point. Then first I will loft this part, and then second is this loft part. Okay, this one. Now hide this temporary axis, this one. Hide. Now select this face. Select this face, sketch, normal. Normal. First draw a center rectangle. This one, and make construction, this one. I will draw a parallelogram here. How? Select this line from midpoint to this midpoint. This midpoint, this midpoint, and this midpoint. Okay, this one. Small dimension. Select this dimension. Vertical dimension is 6 mm. And this dimension, horizontal dimension, is 12 mm. Okay, hit right button. Okay, this is one parallelogram. Now another parallelogram is at a distance of 26. So out of the sketch, future, I will make a plane here, this one. Plane, select this face, and at a distance of 26, I am making a plane here, this one. Select this plane, sketch, normal. Normal, again, same thing. You draw a rectangle, construction right angle. From here, construction, give the construction. Okay, dimension, this dimension is 30 mm. This dimension, horizontal dimension, is 60 mm as per drawing. Okay, this one. Now dimension hit, and again right straight line from midpoint to this midpoint, and this midpoint, and this midpoint, this one, and hit right button. Okay, now there are the two sketches. Now I will join this with the help of the loft feature. First out of the sketch, then loft workspace, and select this upper point, this one, similar point, and this one. Automatically system takes another similar point. Okay, no, and select this point, or clear in this box, profile box, this point and corresponding point we have to select. Okay, no guide curves, no, there is no need to touch another parameters. Okay, this is a simply part. Okay, now hide the plane, first plane, hide this one. Okay, now select this plane face, future, this one, plane, select this face. I am creating another plane at a distance of 80, this one, 80, this one, another plane is created. Now select this plane, sketch. Okay, normal. Now simple, in the sketch you take a point, this one, and simple locate this point here, center point, hit right button. Okay, out of this sketch, now I will make a loft. How? Future, loft workspace, select this point is automatically selected in this profile box, select and select this face. This is merged with this one. In this way, I am this cell, select and hide it. Okay, you can apply any material, you can apply from part, right click here, material. If you select any other you want to select in addition to, you can select from here material, or you can select edit material. You can select any material, you can select AISA 3304, apply, close. Okay, you can give the appearance here, this one, appearance, black position, this I am giving this color, this one, and hit right button and this close here. Okay, you can also provide the fillet also. In the engineering, there should be, in the part, while the creation of any part, there should be no sharp edges, engineering. So this sharp edges are very critical factor. Okay, in the part selection. So I am taking fillet, this one, and fillet I am just taking 1 mm or 2 mm you fillet you can take here, or 1 mm I am taking approximately. This one, select this point, and another face, this one and this one, and this way. This is a Shuriken knife. This is used in the Japan for martial arts, etc. Different purposes this is used. Okay, and this, in this exercise we have learned the loft base, revolve base feature, and plane creation of the plane, fillets, etc. This is a simple exercise for the beginners. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you. Please subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.